What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. So here is the Canon cleaning cloth for your camera, for your phone, a microfabric cloth unboxing and review. Jump to the unboxing table. So here is the Canon cleaning cloth. Yes, the Canon cleaning cloth. Let me open it and then show you. Okay, here we go. Let me take it out. Yes, let me take it out. As you can see, I mean, not only okay, this is not only a cleaning cloth, this is also a camera bag. Yes, a Canon camera bag. Okay. Wow, I'm really very much amazed. You can even easily wrap your camera inside also. How to do that? Let me see again. They tell me to put like this. It's not, it's like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, like this, and then put this one on the top of the camera. Wow, I am amazed. This is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. I'm gonna buy some more, to be honest with you. This is a must buy.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي